concept of A, N और D. तो सबसे पहले A और N के लिए देख लेते हैं. A और N के लिए जो नॉर्मली हम सीखते हैं वो है if the word starts with vowel, that is A, E, I, O, U, then N will come. And if the word starts with consonant, then A will come. But it will not be true for all the cases. Like if I take an example, honest man. So here we can see honest starts with H. So here according to this rule, what should come? A should come. But no, it is wrong. What is right? An honest man. So we will see the correct rule. The correct rule says if the word sound, word का जो sound है, that starts with vowel, then N will come. And if the sound starts with consonant, A will come. So honest man, spelling है HONEST, but how we pronounce it? Honest. Honest. Okay. So the sound, starting sound is O. Honest. So O is what? It is a vowel. So it will come an honest man. An honest man. This is how it works. And what about THE? The. It says if the thing is one of its kind, if the thing is one of its kind, then we put a the there. The there. The, or many a times we call it the. One of its kind, just like Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is one of its kind. We will write the Taj Mahal or the Lal Killa, because it is one of its kind. So let's see some examples and we will see what will come. Poem, European, honest, again honest man, horse, weather, ice cream, FIR, piano, umbrella. So let's see. Poem. The sound is P. We will write A. European. See here. It starts with E, but the sound starts with European. European. Sound starts with Y. So we will write A European, not an European. Honest, the sound is O. Honest. So it will be an. Horse starts with, sound starts with H. Here it will be A. Weather. Weather. It will be no. Wrong. Not an, not a. Weather is one of its kind. Here it will be the weather. Ice cream. Ice cream. Again A. A is the sound, so it will be an. F-I-R. F. How we pronounce it? F-I-R. So sound is F. E-F. So it starts with E. We will say an F-I-R. Piano. The piano. Umbrella. A. The sound is A. So it will be an umbrella. So this is how we write A, N or the in front of any word. Thanks for watching. Comment if you like the video.
अगर आपको जानना है कि THE के लिए हम द कहाँ पर बोलते हैं और दी कहाँ पर बोलते हैं, तो आप मुझे कमेंट करिए और उसके लिए मैं एक वीडियो बना दूँगी। थैंक्स।